There's so many reasons why you don't want to miss up on the opportunity to attend the PM360 conference. First of all, it's going at a ridiculous deal right now. It's barely the cost of a Happy Meal. It's just $10. But what you're going to get from the conference is mind-blowing. You're going to get the opportunity to connect with like minds. You're going to get exposure to project management like never before. I'm going to show you where all the gold and the treasure is buried. A lot of people trying to get into project management but not knowing how. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to give you the blueprint, the secret, how I went from reject at DHL, the interview was a disaster, to being a prefect, to working with firms across the world. Lush Cosmetics is one of my clients. Did you know that cosmetic companies need project management? Did you know that my client Johnson Controls need project management? Do you know that the U.S. Army, my client, needs project management? The U.S. Air Force and NASA and the FBI, all my clients need project management. Project management is always going to be in need. There's always going to be a company that needs a PM. And that's why I need you to be at that conference. Go on down to 360.pmradio.org. That is 360.pmradio.org. You'll be able to sign up, and I'm going to show you where all the treasure is. You're going to get a couple of my awesome books, not only to guide you in project management, but also to direct your efforts as you look for your dream job. I was in that position many years ago, struggling, looking for a way of survival, looking for a way of amping up my efforts, going to the next level in project management. But it wasn't happening until I met my mentor. And that's why I want to be your mentor to help and guide and coach you. 4 hours, 4th of May, 12 p.m. Eastern. Don't miss it. We are going pedal to metal. We ain't taking no prisoners, and we're going to be dropping boatloads of gold. Don't miss it. Going down to 360.pmradio.org.